Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Magic. This is again we are going to do for class 9 and 10 factorization part 3. So this time we are going to do factorization of trinomials. So let us move on to exercise 4.4. This is sum number 1 part 1. So how do we do this? Using this method. Now this 6 is getting multiplied by 1. So 6 into 1, I get 6. Okay, this is one thing. And we have plus 5 in between. So just remember this, plus 5. Now, what is the motive? The motive out here is this plus 5x. We will break it in such a way that when we multiply, we get 6, and when we add or subtract, we get plus 5. Okay, so this is when we multiply, and this is when we add or subtract. We should get plus 5. Okay, now let us take 2 into 3. What will I get? 6. Now plus 2 and plus 3. What do I get? Plus 5. So it's matching. 2 3s are 6. 2 plus 3 5. So both these two conditions, has to be fulfilled. Otherwise you will not get the answer. So let us break this 5x. So x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. You can write 3x plus 2x also, it doesn't matter. Now the same way, you take x common in between the first two, so you will be left with x plus 2, and here you take 3 common, so 3x by 3 you get x, 6 by 3 you get only 2. So now in these two you take x plus 2 common, so you're left with, so this divided by this x, this whole divided by this, you're left with 3. So this is your answer. Sum number 4 part 2. 6x squared plus 13x minus 5. Now this minus 5 into 6, minus 5 into plus 6. So minus plus minus, you get minus 30. And this is plus 13x. So now the same way you have to do, you have to multiply with such numbers that you get minus 30, and with add and subtract you will get plus 30. So the first number which comes to everybody's mind is 6 5s are 30, the same number. But 6 minus 5 is 1. You will not get 13, plus 13. So let us take another number, 15 into 2. So what about 15 into 2? Yes, you get 30. Now you have to get minus 30. So let's put minus to one of them. Now which one you will put minus to? Let us get the answer from here. So 15 and 2. If I do like this, plus 15 minus 2, I will get my plus 13. So I have to put minus here and minus 2. So 15 into minus 2, I'll get minus 30. I got the answer. So plus 15 and minus 2. So 6x squared plus 15x minus 2x minus 5. So this one, I broke this one into 2 terms. So now you can group them, or you can do it directly. So let us group this one. Since minus is outside the bracket, sign will change. So what is the common in between these two? 3x common. So 6x squared divided by 3x, I'll be left with 2x. This divided by this, I'll be left with plus 5. Minus There's nothing common in between these two. I'll just put 1 outside. So 3x minus 1, 2x plus 5. This is the answer. Okay, let us do sum number 16, part 1. X plus 4 whole square minus 5xy minus 20y minus 6y square. Now first we will try to make it little simple before we factorize. These two I will take it in one group. Sign change, since I've taken minus outside the bracket. Now here we have 5y common, 5y, so I'll be left with x plus 20y divided by 5y, 4. Let's take x plus 4 as m. So m square minus 5ym minus 6y square. So what did I do? Let x plus 4 is equal to m. Minus 6 into 1m into 1. So minus 6 into 1 minus 6, and I have to break this one, minus 5. So if I add and subtract, I should get minus 5. Minus 6 plus 1, minus 6, then plus 1. I will get minus 5, and minus 6 into 1 I will get minus 6. With the same number I can take. So m square minus 6ym plus 1ym. See, minus 6 plus 1 I will get minus 5ym. Now m common, I will get m minus 6y plus here y common, m minus 6y. So m minus 6y. Now out of these two terms, m minus 6y is common, and I am left with this. Now this is not the answer because I have replaced x plus 4 as m. So now I have to put back the value. So m x plus 4 minus 6y, again m x plus 4 plus y. So this is my final answer. We'll do from exercise 4.5. Sum or difference of two cubes. Let us do sum number 2, part 1. 64x cubed plus 1. So now let us break this. 64 is what? 4 into 4 into 4 into x cubed plus 1. Now 4 into 4 into 4, I can write 4x whole cube plus 1. Okay, now for 1 also I can put it as cube, doesn't matter. 1 cube is again the same as 1. Now what is the formula? A cube plus B cube. A plus B, and then A square minus AB plus B square. So this is what we are going to apply for this one. So A plus B, 4x plus 1, and then A square, that means 4x square, so 16x square, then minus sign, A into B, 4x into 1, so that makes 4x, and and then plus b square, that means 1 square, so plus 1. So this is my answer. Let us do sum number 4 part 2. This was plus, now I'll be doing the minus 1. 32 x4 minus 500x. Now here it is difficult, to make 500 as a cube of something, and then you get 500. Same for 32. So we have to take out some common numbers out. So 4x, you can take the HCM. So out of these two, 4x is common. So 32 by 4, 4 8 is 32, and x4 by x, I will be left with x cube. So 500 by 4, I will get 125, and x by x, nothing is left. So this is equal to 4x, let this be as common. Now 8, I know 8 is a cube of 2. 2 to the power 4 to the 8. And this 5, I know it's a cube of 5. So I can write 2x whole cube minus 5 cube. Now what is the formula for this? A cube minus b cube. What do we get? A minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so this is what we are going to implement here. So 4x, a minus b, so this minus this, so 2x minus 5, then a square, that means 2 2s are 4, x square, now plus ab, so plus this into this, 2 5s are 10x, and then b square plus b square, so plus 5 5s are 25. This is my answer. Sum number 12, part 1. 250 a minus b whole cube plus 2. Now there is a plus sign, so this whole thing a single term plus 2. You know the formula? A cube plus b cube. This is what we are going to apply because of this plus sign here. A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. This 2 I'll take out as common. So 2 common taken out. So here I'll be left with this whole divided by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So this will become 125. This will come down as it is. So this divided by 2 becomes 1. Okay. Now 2. 125 is a cube of 5. A minus b whole cube plus 1. Now, this is also cube. This is also cube. Now with the power of 3, both has the power of 3, so I can put this 5 inside. So 5a minus 5b whole cube plus 1 whole cube. So what is the first thing? A plus b, that means this plus this. So this is A, then it says the formula plus b, so plus 1. Okay, this part is done. Now it says a square. That means 5a minus 5b square minus a into b. So minus this into 1. So minus 5a minus 5b into 1 and then plus b square. So b is what? 1 only, so 1 is square. So 2 5a minus 5b plus 1. This one I have to apply the formula a minus b whole square. So this will be 25a square minus 2ab. So minus 2 into this into this. So minus 50. 2 5s are 10, 10 5s are 50. ab plus b square. So 25 b square. Then minus 5a, I'm breaking this one, plus 5b plus 1. This will be my final answer. So this was the last method using this the method sum or difference of two cubes. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.